Yes, sir. RP-13 is a non-faction role play. This means if I'm a soldier, I need to act as a soldier. Failure to do so is RP-13. RP-14 is sexual harassment but includes all forms of harassment, discrimination against race, religion, sex, gender, etc. Okay. 5 base rules. 1. No AFK. You must answer radio and base check even on vacation. Do not leave your device. Log out. 2. Driving on base without permission from a general. This includes spawning vehicles. 3. No unlawful shooting or tasing of soldiers, civilians, PD, or anyone. This includes playing with tasers. 4. Respect all soldiers, especially the high ranks. 5th, no leaving base without permission. You must be accompanied by a general. Okay, so my rank is first sergeant. It is same as the sergeant, which is I'm eligible for M4, meaning I can now engage in action during raids. I am supposed to be guarding Westgate and making sure my lower ranks are doing what they are doing. For my next rank, Sergeant Major, I am responsible for the soft hats and I am supposed to make sure all soft hats in line. I am also allowed to RP in with Sibs in Westgate. What's that, sir? Thank you, sir.